Welcome back to another video. Today we got a tractor supply March 27th to March 31st ad. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, Home Depot, Tractor Supply, Harbor Freight. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got 100 off on select Cub Cadet front engine riders. Says here you got, see if I can, 46 inch Cub Cadet XT1 46 lawn tractor, and then save 100 on any of these. There's you got the 46, the 54, and the 50 inch Cub Cadet. And then we got Coleman 550 UTV for $8,499. And then they got for $699. They got the 5 feet by 8 feet mesh floor trailer, 16-pound payload capacity. And they got some work boots, I guess. You got men's, women's, kids, leather, rubber footwear, 20% off. If you got dogs. I'm not going to go over all the items because this is a tool channel and you guys will get bored if I go over all the items. So we're just going to go over the main tools. These are considered tools. So I'll go over the lawn and tractors and all that stuff. So next page. We got, let's see here. We got the 189, the 21 inch, 550 EX Husky 3-in-1 push mower with the Bricks and Stratton. Got 104 a month, 36 payments, totaling $37.30 with 3.99 APR. I guess they do have financing on these. This is the 3,499, just under 3,500. 54 inch Bad Boy MZ 54 Magnum. It says 25 horsepower, PT Kohler, V-twin engine, 7 gauge fabricated steel, mowing deck, deck dial height adjustable. Got part number there. Then on this one you got the 60 inch Bad Boy ZT Elite Zero turn mower, 26 Kohler V-twin engine, 31 hydro gear, and 100, is that 100 cc? Integrated transaxle, 7 gauge fabricated steel mowing deck. It's just hard to read. Alright, next page. We got let's see here, 10% off Cub Cadet walk behind mowers and tillers. This is the Cub Cadet 54 inch Ultima ZT1 54 zero turn mower, 24 HP, which is horsepower, Kohler V-twin for $3,099. Basically $3,100. This one we got the Cub Cadet dual direction rear 10 tiller, $809.99. Then you got the 21 inch Cub Cadet 3-in-1 front wheel drive mower. Oh, this is nice. $296.99. I gotta get me something like that. Either that or one of these tractors, because I do have a big yard in my house. Right now it's a mess. I gotta mow it. It takes me usually about 2 hours to mow it with a push mower like that. So if I get me something like this, have you guys ever used this brand? It's pretty cheap. It's $1,199. I never seen this brand before. Husky. It's a 42 inch Husky lawn tractor, 500 cc Bricks Stratton power built engine. I guess Bricks and Stratton makes good engines. So I guess the engine's good at least. And then down here you got the earthquake Versatiller cultivator for $349. Earthquake mini cultivator $229. Got the 1,400-pound groundwork heavy duty dump cart for $99.99. Got the 4-gallon Champion backpack sprayer for $49.99. Husqvarna $349 for 22-inch Husqvarna 3-in-1 all-wheel drive push mower, 149cc Kohler engine, 675 XTX engine, 4-port height adjustments. And then you got 14-inch Husqvarna 120 chainsaw, 38cc 2-cycle engine, 14-inch in depth, kick bark, and for $179. Husqvarna is a good brand. Here it says birds are available in more stores now. In most stores, I didn't know they sell chickens. Yeah, because last time I went, I didn't see any chickens. But then again, they might have. Maybe some stores do have them. It says Tractor Supply, Chick Days, more 60 breeds available. Here's some breeds that they offer. I guess birds arrive weekly. And they got the walk-in roosting ladder chicken coop for $399.99. They got an incubator right there, I guess, if you want to incubate the eggs. They got all kinds of stuff for them. Wow. Interesting. See, they got some kennels there. Retriever pet portable kennel. You got the $249.99 30-gallon Fimco trailer sprayer, 3-nozzle multi-fold broom, retractable hitch. Here we got 10% off, 25-gallon sprayers. And then you got this 15-gallon Fimco spot sprayer, handgun with 15 feet hose. And then you got this one, but I can't read, I gotta put it closer. Country Line, $18.99, 6 feet Country Line rotary tiller, self-sharpening heater. Okay. Then you got this one, 5 feet Country Line rotary tiller for $1649.99. Then you got the 4 feet by 4 feet drag harrow for $229.99. Then I guess you got some wire here. Sell it by feet if you want to do like a fancier cattle panel. It says right there, sheep goat fence or non-climb horse fence. Let's see here. You got American Farmworks 5-mile solar low independence charger. Then you got the American Farmworks 120-mile AC fence energizer. So I guess for heavy vegetation. Oh, they got all kinds of stuff. Alright, we got some tools. Yeah, definitely some tools in the house. $649 for this trailer. It's a 4 feet. It's not bad at all, guys. It's a 4 by 7 feet mesh floor trailer. 1675 payload capacity. It's like the one on the front of the ad. Here's another one. 6 feet by 8 feet wood floor pipe top trailer. 1675 pound payload capacity. So it's the same as that. For $949. I guess the difference is it's a little wider. Plus you get some wood bottom there. You got the Hobart Champion Elite Generator Welder for $2,899. You got the Camel. This is nice. I like that. Camel Metal Man Auto Darkening Welding Helmet for $79. You got the 20 volts DeWalt Lion Drill Driver Impact Driver Combo Kit, $159. Not a bad deal. This is probably the brushless, the older model. This is probably the 885 LED 3 LED ring with 20-second delay. Yeah, these are nice drills. You got 20 volt DeWalt Lion Grease Gun Kit with battery charger for $199. Says save by the pound, 15 off. I guess the screws and stuff like that, bolts, nuts. You got 69.99, 3/8 by 75 feet, drops my single arm air hose reel. Then you got a generator here, or a generator, compressor, $229.99 for 24-gallon Porter cable air compressor. I know they carry a lot of Porter cable and DeWalt. Ingersoll Rand too. $429 for the 30-gallon DeWalt air compressor. We got a generator up here. It says lowest prices of the season. $779. You got the 7,500 watt Champion dual fuel temperature. Yeah, I actually saw this at Costco too. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but yeah, but I did see this at Costco. I don't know if you guys watch my Costco videos. I do a lot of Costco videos. T crossover single lid pro truck box with rail. It's a nice truck box. Yeah, I seen this truck box the other day on a truck. I believe somebody had it on YouTube or on Craigslist or something. They had this box. I never seen a box with the rail like this. But then you got this $319.99. You got this one for $279. It's a 12-volt fuel transfer pump. Heavy duty grease cartridge, 10 for $25. All these, I heard good things about these cases, these gun cases, or gun safes. I mean, not cases, safes. I guess they go on sale on Black Friday. They put like a good sale. This is not a bad deal at all, actually. $779.99 for a 64-gallon Canon wide body safe. So that's the big one. 59-inch by 40 in width and 24 in depth. 655-pound capacity for $429. Nice. Then you got the 80-gallon Ingersoll Rand 2-stage industrial air compressor. Nice. You got the 3,300 psi Simpson gas pressure washer for $359. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.